Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Samsung ViewFinity S8, a premium monitor designed for professionals and creatives who demand top-tier performance and stunning visuals. With its 4K UHD resolution, advanced color accuracy, and sleek design, the ViewFinity S8 promises to enhance productivity and deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Let's take a closer look at what makes this monitor stand out. Design and build quality. The Samsung ViewFinity S8 is designed with aesthetics and functionality in mind. Sleek and modern design. The monitor features a slim profile with minimal bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience and a modern look that complements any workspace. Sturdy stand. The included stand is robust and adjustable, allowing you to tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height of the monitor for optimal comfort and viewing angles. Premium build quality. Constructed with high-quality materials, the ViewFinity S8 feels solid and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Display quality. The display quality of the ViewFinity S8 is one of its main highlights. 4K UHD resolution. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, the monitor delivers crisp and detailed images, making it perfect for tasks that require precision, such as photo and video editing. Advanced color accuracy. The monitor covers 98% of the DCI-P3 color space and supports HDR10, providing vibrant and true-to-life colors that are essential for professional work. IPS panel. The IPS panel ensures wide viewing angles and consistent color reproduction, making it ideal for collaborative work and multi-monitor setups. Matte display. The anti-glare matte display reduces reflections and eye strain, enhancing comfort during extended use. Performance and features. The ViewFinity S8 is packed with features designed to boost productivity and deliver an excellent user experience. Adaptive picture. The monitor adjusts brightness and color temperature automatically based on ambient lighting conditions, providing a comfortable viewing experience in any environment. Eye saver mode. The eye saver mode reduces blue light emissions, minimizing eye fatigue during long work sessions. Flicker-free technology. Flicker-free technology ensures a smooth and comfortable viewing experience, reducing strain on your eyes. Multiple connectivity options. The monitor offers a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, providing flexibility for connecting various devices and peripherals. Built-in speakers. Integrated speakers deliver decent audio quality, eliminating the need for external speakers for everyday use. Smart features. Samsung has equipped the ViewFinity S8 with smart features to enhance usability. Smart Hub. The monitor features a built-in Smart Hub, allowing you to access streaming services, productivity apps, and smart home controls directly from the monitor without the need for a PC. Remote access. With remote access, you can easily connect to your office PC or mobile device, enabling seamless remote work and collaboration. Voice Assistant. The monitor supports voice assistants like Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the monitor and connected devices with voice commands. Price and value. The Samsung ViewFinity S8 provides excellent value for its features and performance. Competitive pricing. Despite its premium features, the ViewFinity S8 is competitively priced, making it a great investment for professionals and creatives. Warranty and support. Samsung offers a standard warranty and reliable customer support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Samsung ViewFinity S8 is a top-tier monitor that combines stunning visuals, advanced features, and smart connectivity to enhance your productivity and deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Whether you're a professional creative or someone who demands high performance from their monitor, the ViewFinity S8 is a solid choice. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.